Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you a 2020 21 SPX Outboard by Sea Ray Boats. First thing, I'm going to go ahead and start off in the back with the newly designed Mercury 200 horsepower engine. Then in the back there's swim deck back there with non-skid throughout. Right here at the sun pad, I want to show you that this seat lifts up and creates a backrest. And if you want, you can go ahead and fold it down. But also, since this boat has an outboard, the amount of storage in this boat is incredible. You could literally fit a few bodies back there. You can fit all your life jackets over here, skis, wakeboards, everything like that. Right here in the floor, there's additional storage, and right under Samantha's feet right there is where the battery switch is. You can close that door if you have a small dog on here, keep them inside the boat. Then right here, we have a built-in cooler. Then we have a removable cooler right here. And there's additional storage under here as well with non-skid in there. Now moving to the helm. This is a dual helm setup. So the co-captain has a nice comfy seat with a flip-up bolster. So does the captain. He has a flip-up bolster as well. These seats do move forward and back. This is a tilt steering wheel, electric throttle and shift. Then of course we have the Simrad Go 5 display in here and a Fusion head unit. Moving forward, there's a very large bow area. There's storage under all these seats. This is actually a step to get off the bow of the boat if you wanted to. Then there's storage in the center right there. This boat did come with, was optioned with the elevation package, which includes the tower and the bimini top. You can tow from here. You can also tow from the ski bar in the back. You guys, again, this is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston showing you the 2020-21 SPX Outboard by Sea Ray Boats. Come by and see us soon.